Dante. Okay, sir, I'm going to 313.
Get out of my car now!
Sir.
Out of my car now!
Sir, that is my Sneaky Link's house. I have got to go to another home.
God damn you to hell!
No, sir. You got to take me to my destination.
Get out of my car!
I already paid the $17.95. You're going to take me to my destination.
My fucking goddamn property! Get out! Now!
Sir, I am in Oak Cliff. I am not getting out this vehicle. No.
I'm facing a fucking moron! Get out!
Sir, I don't know where I am. I don't know where I am.
No!
I just really, the child lock is on. The child lock is on. I can't get out.